Most IBDP students panic when they see this kind of question. So this question from area and perimeter of sector was asked in Maths AAHL May 2024 paper 1. So in this question we have been given a sector whose radius is r and the central angle is theta, and the theta is measured in radians. So this is very important. And it's also given that the perimeter of the sector is 10 centimeter and the area of the sector is 6.25 centimeter square. And in part A we have to prove that 4r square minus 20r plus 25 is equal to 0, and in part B we have to figure out the value of r and theta. So since the perimeter and area of sector is given, so the perimeter of this sector would be r theta plus 2r, and this is given to us as 10 centimeter, and the area of sector, which is r square theta upon 2, is equal to 6.25 when the theta is given in radians. So now using these two equations we'll try to eliminate theta, because we have to find an equation only in terms of r. So from this equation I can say that theta would be equal to 12.5 upon r square, and now I'm going to substitute this value of theta in the first equation. So I can say that r into 12.5 upon r square plus 2r is equal to 10. So this r and this r is gone. So now I'm going to take LCM in the LHS. So I'll get r here 12.5 plus 2r square equal to 10. 2r square plus 12.5 is equal to 10r, which means 2r square minus 10r plus 12.5 is equal to 0. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So I'll get 4r square minus 20r plus 25 equal to 0. So this is what we had to prove in part A. And part B, they are asking you to figure out the value of r and theta. So we can solve this quadratic and figure out the value of r. So I can clearly write this as 2r whole square minus 2 times 2r into 5 plus 5 square. So this is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I can write it as 2r minus 5 whole square is equal to 0. So from here I will get r equal to 5 upon 2, which is equal to 2.5 centimeters. So this is the value of r. Now above I had figured out a relationship between theta and r, which was theta equal to 12.5 upon r. So I will just substitute this value of r here. So theta would be equal to 12.5 upon 2.5 square, which is equal to 12.5 upon 6.25, which I am getting here as 2 radians. So this is the desired answer of theta, and this is the desired answer of r, and this is the desired answer of part A. So guys, if you really want to score a 7 in your IBDP maths exam, then please follow my page at the rate of your IB tutor.